If you want to enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on Xiaomi 17, it is pretty straightforward. You just have to go to settings. Next, over here, go to mobile networks, and then you want to tap on the SIM for which you want to toggle Wi-Fi calling. Now you can find an option that is called make calls using Wi-Fi or just Wi-Fi calling. It doesn't really matter how it's named. You should be able to tap on the switcher on the right side in order to enable or disable it. Also, we have network preferences, at least sometimes, where you can decide if you prefer to use mobile networks or Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi calling or the other option, in here in these settings, you can also try to check the control center or quick settings, where we can find the Wi-Fi calling in here. Or you can open the phone app, tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then proceed to settings. And then over here in settings, you might be able to proceed to the calling accounts option and find Wi-Fi calling in here. In my case, I don't actually have it, but in your case, there is a possibility that you will find it in here in this menu. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.